These are my AirPods Pro, arguably one of the best earbuds out there. And these are the SoundPEATS Air6 HS, which are, I think, 5 times cheaper, if not 6, compared to the AirPods. So naturally, you would think that these earbuds are terrible, but that's not true, because I use these for work calls, for gym sessions, for my evening walks, and things started changing. So am I saying that this is one of the best earbuds you can buy? Maybe. So I replaced my AirPods with the SoundPEATS, and I saw that there was a shift. Cheap earbuds are not always terrible. So if you're in the market for cheap earbuds, then this video is for you, and you should watch it till the end. And before we do that, do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video, because I get you weekly videos about tech, cars, and everything technology every week. So let's start with the box. The one thing which is very interesting over here is that it has got high-res audio. Also, there is one more thing. It has a playtime of 45 hours. It has got mics for clear calls is what it says, which I did test. And that's not the fun part. The fun part is that it has got a playtime of about 9 hours, which is the interesting part. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section. And now let's start looking at the earbuds themselves. I'll be honest, I thought that this experiment was going to last 2 hours, and I'm going to go back to my AirPod. And I have used cheap AirPods before. The audio quality is not that great. Obviously, those were not the SoundPEATS and these are. But the point here is that I've used cheap earbuds before. The audio usually sounds muddy. The microphones are terrible. And after 30 minutes in your ears, you start thinking, oh my God, I need to go back to my real earbuds. If you have felt like that, then you should probably try these, because these don't feel like that. The only things about these are that they do not go in ear. They are out of the ear. So if you are one of those people who like out ear or on ear earbuds, then these are really, really good. I don't know about the design, to be honest, with the S on them, but they're pretty good. So the build quality is pretty good of the earphones. It has got a nice magnet which it holds the earphones together on. As soon as you put it back in the case, just like AirPods, it gives an indication that the case is, the pods are in, the earbuds are in. And overall, it's a very nice compact case compared to most of them out there. Plus you get this nice button over here, which is obviously for pairing, and it comes with USB Type-C charging, which is absolutely amazing. So overall, the sound quality was pretty good, because I used it with YouTube Music. They were pretty nice. The bass is quite good. Then I used it for watching normal videos and content. Pretty good. I don't see much of an issue out there. The calls are where this thing actually shined, because I did not expect the mics to be good, but the mics were pretty good. So that is where these earbuds stood out for me, because they are 5 times cheaper than the AirPods, but still, there was a point where I felt that, okay, it's not bad. The app is very interesting because it has got spatial audio, which is nice, with 2 modes, music mode, movie mode. Then it has got dual connection, so you can actually choose 2 devices and it can connect. Then it has got an equalizer, just like every other earphone which is not an AirPod. And it has got adaptive EQ where you can test. It's got custom sound. It's got features which are very, very good. Plus, it's got a drainage function, which I really like. So if you wet these earbuds, you can actually take the water out of them. You have got dynamic EQ, you can disable the touch control, game mode, all of that. Pretty good. What do you guys think about it? Let me know down in the comment section and we can talk over it. And now let's go to the next part. And right when I started using them, it automatically started giving me an update. So I decided to update it. And this is what I like about such earbuds and companies like SoundPEATS, who really want to take their products to another level, where they keep on updating their softwares, which is really cool. So now the final question: are the SoundPEATS good, or are the AirPods Pro better? Now see, there is no comparison between the AirPods and the SoundPEATS, because they are operating at a very different level. The AirPods are in-ear earphones, expensive to be honest. They have very good sound quality. They have active noise cancellation. They have everything what an expensive earphone should have. To be honest, for an iPhone user, they are one of the best earbuds out there. But SoundPEATS are not exactly competing with the AirPods. They are in a very different league because their prices are low. They provide you electronic noise cancellation, which is pretty good. It's a good call quality. The sound is very comparable. As I said earlier, that they're pretty similar to what we had on the AirPods Gen 1. So, are you looking for cheap earbuds, backup earbuds, or something like that? Then I would want to position these in that segment because these earbuds are very cost effective and they will not let you down when it comes to sound, when it comes to call qualities, and when it comes to other things like the battery life, which is very, very important for wireless earbuds. And this is very important. I wanted to keep it at the last so that the real people can hear the sound quality of the mics of the earphones. So here is a clip for you which I recorded only from the mics of the earphones. So while you're listening to the audio, I am going to do the unboxing as well so that you can see it in fast forward. These are the Air6 HS microphones, and when you're on a call, the opposite person will be able to hear you like this. I'm in a fairly quiet room, so the mics are doing really well, but the overall sound quality is very nice. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section. Would you buy these over the AirPods Pro? I don't expect you to, but would you buy these as a cheap earbud? Maybe yes. So that's where I want to leave you guys with. If you are an Android user looking for cheap earbuds, you can definitely bank on the SoundPEATS. They are really good. And that's all from this video. Let me know down in the comment section what do you guys think about these. That's all with the video. Let me know what you think for sure. And as usual, thanks for watching.